don't go sending the kids. You gotta come too, okay? Alright, so here we go. Alright, so today we'll be doing a hot potato, alright? It's really simple, really easy game. What we'll be having is you're going to form a circle for me. You'll be given a ball and we're going to pass the ball around. When the music stops, if you have the ball in your hand, that means you are out of my game. Alright?
Oh.
Alright, let me say it again. Let me say it one more time. When the music is playing, you pass the ball, alright? When I say switch, whichever direction it's going, it should go in the opposite direction. So if it's going this way, when I say switch, it goes back this way. Okay, sir, in the green and red, you understand? Yes? You understand now? Yeah. All right, good. Let's set up from the top. Here we go. Here we go. Switch. All right, looking good. Looking good. Come on, pass the ball, pass the ball, pass the ball. Let's go hot. My prince. Let's go. Come on, pass the ball, pass the ball. If you're happy and you know it, clap for your hands. If you're happy and you... Who's out of the game? I don't, tell me out. The princess? All right, princess, thanks for playing. Listen, don't worry. We got another game coming your way. Don't worry. Don't worry, it's fine. It's all in the name of fun. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you... All right, thank you so much for playing. Thank you so much for playing. Come on, let's keep the game going. Let's keep the game going. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy... Go. Here we go, DJ. You know what? Hold on, DJ. Hold on. So guess what? You're going to put the ball... All right? So bring it around you, then you pass it to her. There we go. That's what we'll be doing. Let's go, DJ. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. Come on. Keep it going. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Show them some love. Show them some love.
Yeah.
Ladies who walk over the prize, courtesy of your entertainment team.
She can't twist the ball around her.
Mommy, you're out of my game. You have my ball. Come on, here we go.
Wow, Jonas is so creative.
Oh, wow. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Show them some love. Come on, show them some love, everybody. Come on now. My audience, work with me. Come on, show them some love. All right, so guess what? Both of you guys win a prize courtesy of your entertainment team. All right? Thank you so... What happened? You guys are both winners. That's the second time you won? That's good.